Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can perform factory reset in Miele Dishwasher G53. So, in the first step we have to open the user menu, so turn off your appliance and turn it on with the hold the extras button. Hold this button for 4 seconds. Now we're in the settings mode, then you have to click on the V button 19 times. As you can see, there we see the P0. That means it's P0. That means it's there is a change in the factory reset, and you can perform it. P1. That means that nothing has been changed. So to perform the factory reset, just turn off your appliance now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, comment, and goodbye.